Actually, it's really cool because it's a color change glaze. So it will change the color to yellow to pink drastically just because of it's aware of elements that I added included into the glaze. And so it will change color depends on what type of light sauce that we have. Hi, my name is Ling Chun. So I'm a ceramics artist from Hong Kong, and I came to the States about 11 years ago for a foreign exchange program. And so many years later, I tumbled around in this professional field as a ceramics artist, and now I end up in this residency program called Pottery Northwest in Seattle, Queen Anne areas. And so behind those are the work of my work. And also a little fun fact about myself is that I was a beauty school dropout. So I use a lot of hair in my work as part of that, fulfilling the dream that I was never able to fulfill. For this residency in Pottery Northwest, I'll be here from since 2018 in September. So it has been 3 months for this point now, and it will last for 2 years. So it will be ending in 2020s. The gap, the bridges between the language, because I speak Cantonese, but I didn't actually learn art until I came to America. So I learned arts, the language of arts in English. Okay. So I'm talking about that kind of like constant battle of like how much I can express myself and what's the bridges between, Cantonese, a word of expression I have, and how can I take that out in English, and somehow those are the words that were between them, kind of the abstract word that I had in mind, and I can't find in English to express that, so I just like vomited out into a work, all of the work like that, so that's part of that.